and we went fishing on Lake Fork today. And come with me, and I'll show you my fish. Oh, well, I have to roll up my sleeve first. This is the first fish, or the first crappie. This is the biggest one I caught today. He's pretty big. Ow! Just spin me. This is probably one of the second biggest ones. Right now, I'm at my Nana's Fish Camp in Lake Fork. And I think this is the last one. I think we had 8 in here. I'll check this other side.
What did you catch them on, Miss Delaney?
A jig.
Can you show us and tell us what it is?
Yes. Oh, it's down here. This is what I fished with today. A white crappie jig and a green and orange and yellow crappie jig. And that's all I fished with because I kept on biting it. Did I leave the flashlight up there? Yeah. And I think that's all the fish. Look. Papa, can you come get these?
Yeah, I'll go get them. We'll let Daddy fillet them.
Okay, this is how you, oh, if I can get this in here. Okay, there we go. So this is what you need to fillet fish. A fillet knife and a bowl of water. And I'll show y'all how, but I won't actually show y'all. I'm going to start off with this one. So you have to start from here and go to the tail. Then you would have to flip it. And then you can get all the meat and stuff. Okay, so I can't do that I can't clean the fish on YouTube, so I'll get back to y'all whenever it's done. Okay, so I finished cleaning the crappie, and if y'all don't like crappie, you're crazy. So I'm about to go dump the guts off, and yeah, then we're done. And then we're gonna fry them and eat them. So I need to pick all this up. Don't need to spill this. So now we're taking the guts to the lake so the turtles can eat. Okay, now we're at the lake, so now it's just time to dump them. now it's time to go eat the fillets.